What is up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Danel, and in this video I want to show you guys how I do product research and how I'm doing it right now for this Q4. So before we get into that, I want to let you guys know thank you so much for all the support you've been showing. We hit my goal of 100 subscribers this month. We're actually at 106 right now at the time of this recording. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for the support, and make sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell. Leave a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll be making sure to answer all of them. And yeah, without further ado, let's hop right into my computer so I can show you how to do some live product research. And I'm probably going to be releasing some of those products to you guys so you guys can test them out.
Yeah.
What is up, guys? Now that we're here inside my computer, I'm gonna be showing you my first and most used research strategy and how I found actually two of my winning products. Surprisingly, I know a lot of people have a bad taste in their mouth, or they've never found real success with a paid software or something like this that curates and sends you and has products for you to look for. But surprisingly, with this, I've actually had some great success in finding winning products, and it's actually been very useful. I've used it for myself and some of my students, and it's brought out great results, and that's why I'm sharing it with you guys. And I'm gonna show you how I personally use it, which is not just using what the products here are given to you. So without further ado, I'm gonna be showing you some of these products, how I do it, some of the things that I look for to determine if this is a winning product or not, or if this is a product that I want to test or not. So let's just start off by the first one, which is a water tap sensor. All you do is click show me the money. You go to over here where it says the Facebook ads, and it's gonna send you over to the Facebook ad. Also, guys, if you are interested in this software, I do have an affiliate link below if you'd like to use it and support my channel. If not, that's fine. You could just go and get it on the normal site on eSniper. But if you use my link, it would be very much appreciated. But let's get right into it now that it's loaded. So right off the bat, I could tell that this video is not something that I would personally go and test, for the simple fact that I'm gonna just check out the comments to pretty much put the nail in the coffin. My bad. But as you can see, the comments are 1 day ago, 2 days ago, and it has very little likes and comments, meaning this is something that just it was just put up and didn't really profit much or work well. So yeah, so literally what I would do is just close this out and move on to the next product. It doesn't seem like it has legs. If it didn't work for them that well, or it doesn't look like it's doing too well for them, it probably is just not working. So I'll just move on to the next product over here. Like I said, this is all live, guys. So a lot of these products, are honestly products that I'm looking at myself for the first time as well. And let's see this one. So it's a movie projector from your phone. And this one, as you can see, has a lot more likes, comments, and shares, which is something that I like to look for. And let's see, let's let this load up. Let me mute this real quick. There you go. And then I always like to check the comments as one of the first things that I like to do. Just because if this product is really working, it's gonna have active comments, and this is also a great sign. It was put September 2, so it's not a product that's a couple months old. It's something that's brand new. It has over 500,000 views, which is good, and meaning that they spent a lot of money to get here. Meaning this product obviously had some legs and something to work with in order for them to spend the money to get here, right? So as you can see here, I put the newest comments, and it seems like people are commenting 3 hours ago, in a day, 2 days. So this pretty much doesn't seem like they're running much traffic to it at the moment. And it does have a bit.ly link. So if you guys didn't know, you could grab a bit.ly link like this. You could copy it, paste it on your search bar, add a plus sign to it, and it'll automatically show you how many link clicks this was getting. So as you can see, guys, this was actually working pretty well. They were cruising with it, but now it's actually declining and going down, meaning it probably died off. And it doesn't seem like it was like first world countries where this was really going good. So, that's also something to look for. So I'll just move on. But when I see something like this, that it's a product that seems to be doing good, that they seem to have like somewhat scaled it, I always go to page transparency and I go to ad library. The reason that I do that is so I can see if they're running any new ads or any new product that they have that it's a winner, and I can check it out. This is literally how I found a lot of my winners, just by using the software, going here, and if that product is decent or is looking good, or I always go and check out the ad library to see if they're running anything else at the moment that seems to be doing better. So it only seems like they're running this right now, but not really that much. So that's another flop product. I would just literally close it all out and move on to the next one. So let's try a random one down here. So let's go with let's go with this one, to be honest with you. So it just seems to be a spring pipe. So it's probably much to like take out clogging. I've noticed that this is something that a lot of people have been marketing right now. Things to take out clogging, or fix your toilets or sinks and stuff like that. So this could potentially be something that's good. And let's check it out when it loads out. So this seems like it has a couple amount of likes, some comments. So let's check out these comments real quick. So let's filter by the new. And same thing, a lot of them are like 1 to 2 days ago, so that's not really something that ideal. But let's go and check out the page and look at page transparency. So literally, this is exactly what I do for product research a lot of the time. I always dig deeper than the winning ad. Same thing, if you see these ads on your timeline, I always go to the page and I check their page transparency. Because just because they're running this product and it seems like it's winning, sometimes what I've noticed, and a lot of times actually, what I've noticed is that they're running other products that you haven't been targeted by on the back end on their library. And you can only see that there if you check it on the back end. And that's literally how I found a lot of winners myself and some of my students, is just digging a little bit deeper than before, just to find these products here in the ad library. So as you can see, they're running other products. They're actually not even running, well, it seems like they're inactive right now, but it seems like they're not really running this that hard. They're running mostly other products, but nothing crazy as well. So I'm literally just gonna move on from here as well. As you can see, guys, this is literally the grind when it comes down to Shopify dropshipping. A lot of people get tired or lazy from doing this, but literally this is where the money is made, guys. Like, you really have to take your time, put in the effort, and do this consistently, trying to find winning products until you find something that's actually worth putting your money behind it and testing it out. So like I said, we're just gonna keep on going here. So this one seems like it has a little bit more promise. So it looks like it's just like cushion bags, mostly for moving. So let's go over here to new. Let's mute this. All right. So it has 375K views, put up September 7th. So we're just gonna go again. As you can see, these comments look pretty old, meaning they stopped kind of running traffic to this, meaning we're just gonna keep on going. I always like to check page transparency. Like I said, like, I know it's kind of redundant, but I always like to do this just for the simple fact that you never know, you could find the hidden gem in here in these ad libraries from people that are already running traffic. So it doesn't seem like they're running much else, only this bag. So literally just move on. And honestly, I'm not gonna have you guys here like this whole time looking for like dud products with me. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna cut now to where I do find something that seems to have legs, so you guys can have it. And yeah, I'll catch you guys there.
1 hour later. 2 hours later. 3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
Okay, guys, so it seems like we finally found something that seems to have like some potential and legs right here. This is actually an ad posted September 11th, and it has 4.6 million views, meaning they're scaling this extremely hard. And one of the reasons that I know is that right here you can see that an hour ago, an hour ago, an hour ago, 2 hours ago, like people are consistently commenting on this post right here, and actually, tagging people, showing like giving their opinions about it. So it seems like they're still running traffic to this product to this date, which is a really good sign. I also have opened up the product page here, so you guys can see it. So it seems like it's a telescope, microscope thing that you can connect to your computer and zoom in on stuff. So I know a lot of people that like to do all this stuff. So that's pretty interesting. It seems to be pretty cool. So this is something like that, like to look at bugs. I don't know what that was, but yeah. So it seems like it's a pretty cool product. It seems like it's fairly priced, and honestly, it seems like they're running traffic to it. So the other way that I confirm that they're running traffic to it, not only by the comments, is obviously I go to page transparency and I go to the ad library, obviously. So as you can see here, guys, not only are they running that telescope product, but you can see that they're running a lot of other products as well, like this mat cleaner. They're running a lot of this mat cleaner actually. So this towel dispenser, this little guardian angel thing. So like as you can see, guys, this is what I mean by it's super important to check out the ad library, because you can find like other winning products within that one winning product that you found that are potentially great to test. So we have already seen here this little thing right here, which is like a vase. We found this like travel lighter with a travel dispenser. So it seems like it's something for easy to watch how much liquid is inside. Something for traveling, I guess. That's what it seems like. This thing to clean, rugs and stuff like that. This product I've seen it a couple times before, so it seems like they're also testing it and doing pretty good with it. This vase seems to be doing really good as well. And then obviously the product that we were looking at earlier, which is this microscope, and it seems like they're doing really good with all these products. And then right here, just off of this page, you literally found 3 potential products, maybe even more. We could probably find a little bit more, but as you can see, they're running a lot of these ads for this, meaning they're scaling it really hard. And obviously this cleaner right here is also being, and this little vase. So right here, just from finding this one winning product through the software that I was telling you guys about, and going to the ad library, which a lot of people fail to see or do, because it just doesn't since they changed the infos and ads from the page. A lot of people don't know about page transparency and the ad library, but now you guys do. And as you can see, you can literally find a lot of other winning products just from this. As you can see, there's a lot more winning products right here that they're testing that you could potentially go out there and test. So with that being said, guys, I literally gave you right here 3 winning products just from finding one, which is this one right here, that little angel vase, the telescope, and then this rug cleaning thing right here. So or pressure cleaning thing right here. So you guys can actually go out there, find this page, or use the software and find more pages and products just like this, and honestly test them out. Have a great Q4 with them, because literally with these products, it seems like they're scaling it out over, like if they're running 4 million views to this one video ad, they clearly made multiple 6 figures with this product already. So if you guys know anything about it, it just means that they spend a lot of money to scale this product, meaning it's giving a lot of results right now. So it's definitely a product worth looking into and testing. And with that being said, guys, I hope you guys have a great Q4. I hope you guys can go out there, use the software, or test these products that I've shown you here right now, and have an amazing Q4. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. And make sure to hit that subscribe button, leave a thumbs up, and a comment down below if you got any value or question from this. I will be answering all the comments. And yeah, guys, have a good one. I'll catch you on the next one. Deuce.